Your patio is empty, boring, lifeless. But what if there was a secret that could transform your outdoor space in just one season without a full garden bed? Welcome to Golden Age Gardening. I'm William Scott, and today we're revealing 8 stunning flowering plants that thrive in pots and containers. These aren't ordinary flowers, they're showstoppers that will make your neighbors wonder what your secret is. Before we begin, hit subscribe, like this video, and comment below which flower you're excited to grow. New gardeners join us every week, and we'd love to have you. Why container gardening works. Most people imagine beautiful gardens as large flower beds, but some of the most impressive displays come from containers. Container gardening gives you full control over location, soil, drainage, and protection from weather. You can place color exactly where you want it, on patios, walkways, balconies, or decks, and move plants around through the season. You can shelter delicate plants, adjust soil conditions, and experiment freely. Professional gardeners love containers for this reason: flexibility and precision. After consulting experienced horticulturists, we've selected 8 flowers that don't just survive in containers, they truly thrive. Flower number 1, Dianthus, or Sweet William. Dianthus brings classic beauty with whites, pinks, and deep reds, often with richly layered petals. These compact plants fill containers densely and bloom from early spring through fall. They're incredibly cold-tolerant, fragrant with a spicy clove scent, and loved by butterflies and bees. Dianthus prefers full sun and alkaline, well-draining soil. Use containers at least 12 inches wide. Zones 4 to 9. Height 20 to 24 inches. Flower number 2, Heather. Heather offers delicate pink and white blooms from spring through fall, plus evergreen foliage that keeps containers attractive even in winter. Its stems naturally cascade, creating a charming cottage garden look. Heather prefers full sun to partial shade, sandy, well-draining soil, and moderate watering. Allow soil to dry slightly between waterings. Start with 12-inch containers or larger. Zones 4 to 9. Height 12 to 24 inches. Flower number 3, African Daisies. African daisies explode with color: pink, purple, white, yellow, and stunning multi-tone patterns. Their glossy green foliage makes the blooms pop even more. They need full sun, consistent moisture, and regular deadheading for continuous blooms. These are frost-sensitive, so they're best as warm season stars. Zones 9 to 11. Height 12 to 24 inches. Container 20 inches or larger. Flower number 4, Violas. Violas are compact, fragrant, and incredibly cold-hardy. They bloom early, often while snow is still melting, and pair beautifully with spring bulbs like tulips. With consistent deadheading and moisture, violas can bloom well into summer. They prefer evenly moist soil and full sun to partial shade. Zones 6 to 11. Height 6 to 12 inches. Container 12 to 20 inches. Flower number 5, English Daisies. English daisies form low, dense mounds covered in charming white and pink blooms. They're perfect for the front of containers and ideal for cottage-style designs. Unlike African daisies, these tolerate cold extremely well and can even be moved into garden beds later. Keep soil evenly moist and deadhead regularly. Zones 4 to 8. Height 4 to 8 inches. Flower number 6, Snapdragons. Snapdragons add drama and vertical interest with tall flower spikes in vibrant colors. Each bloom looks like a tiny dragon's mouth, adding whimsy to containers. With proper deadheading, they flower continuously for months. They need full sun, moderate watering, and large containers for stability. Zones 7 to 10. Height 20 to 36 inches. Flower number 7, Ranunculus. Ranunculus delivers pure elegance with rose-like layered blooms in rich and pastel colors. They thrive in cooler conditions and shine in spring containers. They dislike extreme heat, but container gardening allows easy replacement once summer arrives. Use full sun, even moisture, and deadhead for longer bloom time. Zones 8 to 10. Height 12 to 24 inches. Flower number 8, Pansies. Pansies are reliable, cold-hardy, and endlessly colorful. Their large blooms feature intricate patterns and blended shades, making them perfect fillers or feature plants. They prefer full sun, even moisture, and larger containers for the fullest display. Zones 6 to 10, height 6 to 12 inches. Designing beautiful containers. The real magic happens when you combine plants. Tall plants, Snapdragons, Ranunculus, add height. Low growers, Violas, Daisies, soften edges. Choose colors wisely. Monochromatic equals elegant. Complementary equals bold. Analogous equals harmonious. Seasonal planning matters. Spring, Violas, Pansies, Dianthus. Summer, African Daisies. Fall, Pansies and Dianthus again. Always use high-quality potting soil, never garden soil, and ensure drainage holes. They're essential. Container gardening proves you don't need acres of land to create stunning floral displays. A small patio, deck, or balcony can become a vibrant garden filled with color, fragrance, and life. From romantic Dianthus to dramatic Ranunculus and dependable Pansies, these 8 flowers offer endless design possibilities. If you found this helpful, like the video, subscribe to Golden Age Gardening, and share it with someone who needs garden inspiration. Start planning your container garden today. Your most beautiful blooming season awaits.